The factory receives thousands of tons of fruit during peak production. This is only the beginning of a much larger manufacturing process.
Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking you inside a modern palm oil factory to discover how millions of fresh palm fruits are transformed into pure bottled cooking oil every single day.
Millions of palm fruits begin their journey long before they reach the factory. This enormous operation transforms a simple harvest into one of the world's most widely used cooking oils.
Okay, bring it down slowly now. Copy that, watching the left side.
The harvest moves continuously from plantation to factory. Every hour counts in preserving the natural oil inside each fruit. Every delivery is carefully documented before unloading. Accurate measurements help maintain production efficiency throughout the day. The factory receives thousands of tons of fruit during peak production. This is only the beginning of a much larger manufacturing process. Behind these machines lies a carefully controlled production system. Every stage has a specific purpose in preparing the fruit for extraction. Each fruit contains valuable natural oil locked inside its flesh. But before that can happen, the harvest must first be carefully prepared. The first major step is steam sterilization. High-pressure steam softens the fruit and stops natural enzymes that could reduce oil quality.
Make sure the transfer interlock engages before it moves to the conveyor.
Already checked the sequence, it's green.
Mechanical handling reduces manual labor while keeping the fruit moving smoothly. Even feeding helps every machine operate at maximum efficiency. The stripping machine separates individual fruits from their bunches. Empty bunches continue to recycling, while the valuable fruits move forward. Washing removes unwanted material that could affect later processing. Clean fruit supports both product quality and equipment reliability. Inside the digester, heat and mixing prepare the fruit for oil extraction. Softened pulp allows the natural oil to separate more easily. Careful temperature and mixing control create consistent material for pressing. Precision at this stage improves oil recovery throughout the factory. As a rinse. The fruit has now been fully prepared for extraction. In the next chapter, powerful presses will separate. The prepared fruit now reaches the heart of the factory. Powerful screw presses begin separating crude palm oil from the fruit pulp. Extreme pressure releases the oil trapped inside the fruit. Solid fiber and liquid oil immediately follow separate paths. Freshly extracted oil still contains water and fine natural particles. Additional purification is needed before refining can begin. Nothing from the fruit is wasted. Valuable kernels and natural fiber continue into separate recovery systems. The recovered nuts continue toward kernel processing. Meanwhile, crude palm oil moves into the next purification stage. The extracted oil is transported immediately for clarification. Continuous movement helps maintain consistent processing conditions. Gravity and controlled heat allow unwanted solids to separate naturally. This improves the quality of the oil before further refining. High-speed centrifuges remove the remaining impurities. The oil becomes cleaner with every carefully controlled step. The crude oil has now been extracted and clarified successfully. In the next chapter, precise refining will transform it into high-quality cooking oil ready for packaging. The clarified oil now enters the refining process. Here, precision replaces raw extraction as purity becomes the main objective. Neutralization removes naturally occurring free fatty acids. Careful measurements ensure consistent quality throughout the entire batch. Powerful centrifuges separate the unwanted material from the refined oil. Precision at this stage improves both clarity and stability. Natural bleaching materials help remove color pigments and trace impurities. The oil gradually becomes brighter and cleaner.
Filtration removes the remaining solid particles. Only clean oil continues to the next refining stage.
Deodorization improves the flavor and aroma of the cooking oil. Temperature and vacuum are carefully controlled throughout the process. Laboratory testing confirms that every refining stage performs as expected. Continuous monitoring helps maintain food-grade quality standards. The refined oil is now clean and stable. It is stored under carefully controlled conditions before packaging begins. Packaging materials are prepared before filling starts. Every bottle and protective wrap is inspected to maintain consistent product quality. The refined cooking oil is finally ready for packaging. In the next chapter, every bottle will be filled, inspected, and prepared for consumers around the world. The refining process is complete. Every bottle now begins its final journey through a carefully controlled packaging line. Every bottle receives an exact amount of cooking oil. Automated controls maintain the same fill level throughout production.
Torque readings are stable at 12.5 Newton meters.
Noted. Continuous monitoring looks good.
An additional protective seal helps preserve freshness. Every bottle is checked before moving to the next inspection stage. Advanced inspection systems examine every package in seconds. Even small imperfections can be detected automatically.
The fill level on this one is definitely below tolerance. The pneumatic arm caught it perfectly. I'll make a note of the batch number.
Regular laboratory testing confirms that every production batch meets food-grade quality requirements. Continuous sampling supports consistent product reliability. Packaging accuracy is verified before shipment. Every bottle must meet strict presentation and traceability standards. Protective wrapping secures the bottles for transportation. The packaging also helps prevent damage during handling. Automation improves both speed and consistency during palletizing. Every load is arranged for safe storage and transport. Protective wrapping keeps each shipment stable during transportation. Every pallet is recorded for complete production traceability. Finished products are stored under carefully controlled conditions. They remain here until customer orders are ready for dispatch. Quality inspection and packaging are now complete. In the final chapter, these finished products begin their journey from the factory to kitchens around the world. The manufacturing process is complete. The finished cooking oil now begins its journey beyond the factory.
A little further back, watch the clearance. Got it, looks good.
Thousands of bottles leave the factory every day. A carefully planned logistics network connects production with consumers. From large retailers to local businesses, every shipment follows a carefully managed supply chain. Reliable packaging helps protect every bottle along the way. Refined palm cooking oil supports everyday food preparation around the world. Consistent quality makes it suitable for many different cooking methods. As finished products leave the factory, new harvests continue to arrive. The manufacturing cycle begins again without interruption. From freshly harvested palm fruit to refined bottled cooking oil, every stage depends on